Hold on to your hats, crypto comrades, because the rumor mill is churning. The crypto world is buzzing with excitement and speculation. Binance, the big kahuna of cryptocurrency exchanges, is apparently eyeing up PiCoin for a listing. This is huge news. Binance is known for its rigorous selection process, so this potential listing is a big deal. It's like hearing your local pub band might headline Coachella. Imagine the leap in recognition and credibility. Could this be PiCoin's ticket to the big leagues? The potential for growth and mainstream acceptance is enormous. Let's dive in. Let's explore what this could mean for the future of PiCoin and its community. Imagine a world where your late-night scrolling earns you digital gold. That's the dream, right? That's the basic idea behind PiNetwork, a project that's been quietly amassing users like a squirrel hoarding nuts. It's a unique concept that has intrigued many. Millions of people, dubbed pioneers, are already on board hoping to strike it rich in the crypto gold rush. The community is growing rapidly and the enthusiasm is palpable. But here's the catch. PiCoin isn't on any major exchanges yet. This has been a point of contention and curiosity among its users. It's like having a winning lottery ticket you can't cash in. Frustrating, right? The potential is there, but the accessibility isn't. That's where Binance comes in. A listing on Binance could change everything for PiCoin and its users. A listing on Binance would be like opening the floodgates, potentially sending the price of PiCoin to the moon. The possibilities are endless, and the excitement is real. So what does this mean for you, the everyday crypto enthusiast? Well, if PiCoin gets listed on Binance, it could mean easier access, increased liquidity, and potentially higher value for your holdings. Imagine being able to trade your PiCoin on one of the world's largest and most trusted exchanges. The convenience and security that Binance offers could attract even more users to the PiNetwork. Financial experts are already speculating on the potential impact of this listing. Some believe it could be a game changer not just for PiCoin but for the entire crypto market. The news has certainly stirred up a lot of excitement and anticipation. Everyone is watching closely to see what happens next. For the pioneers who have been with PiNetwork from the beginning, this could be the moment they've been waiting for. The hard work and patience might finally pay off. The future looks bright for PiCoin and its community. Whether you're a seasoned crypto investor or a newcomer, this is a development worth keeping an eye on. So stay tuned, crypto comrades. The world of PiCoin is about to get a lot more interesting. Okay, let's back up a bit. What the heck is PiNetwork anyway? You might have heard about it from a friend or stumbled upon it while scrolling through social media. But what exactly is it? In a nutshell, it's a mobile app that lets you mine PiCoin just by checking in daily. Yes, you heard that right. No complex algorithms to solve, no high-end hardware to buy, just a simple tap on your phone. No need for fancy equipment or a degree in blockchain engineering. It's designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're not tech-savvy, you can still participate. Think of it as a loyalty program for the digital age. Just like you earn points for shopping at your favorite store, you earn PiCoins for being an active participant in the network. Here's the gist. PiNetwork wants to make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical know-how or financial background. Even your tech-challenged uncle who still thinks Bitcoin is something you buy at the grocery store. It's about breaking down barriers and making digital currency a part of everyday life. They're building a whole ecosystem where you can use PiCoin for everyday transactions, from buying a cup of coffee to paying for online services. Kind of like a digital barter system. Imagine trading your PiCoins for goods and services without the need for traditional money. Now before you quit your day job and buy a yacht, let's be clear about one thing. Remember that PiCoin is still in its early stages. It's like a young plant that needs time and care to grow. It's like a teenager, full of potential but prone to mood swings. The value of PiCoin can fluctuate and its future is still uncertain. But hey, every revolution starts somewhere, right? The idea is to get in early, be part of the community, and see where this journey takes you. Who knows, you might be part of the next big thing in the world of digital currency. So if you're curious and want to explore the world of cryptocurrency without the usual barriers, PiNetwork might just be the perfect starting point. It's a community-driven project that aims to democratize access to digital currency. All you need to do is download the app, sign up, and start mining. It's that simple. And who knows, you might just find yourself at the forefront of a financial revolution. So, why not give it a try? Join the PiNetwork community, start mining, and be part of something potentially groundbreaking. After all, every big journey begins with a single step. Binance isn't some fly-by-night operation. It's a well-established name in the cryptocurrency world, known for its rigorous standards and high level of scrutiny. They're the Harvard of crypto exchanges, a place where only the best and most promising projects get a chance to shine. And they don't just let anyone into their hallowed halls. The security and vetting process is intense, ensuring that only the most credible and innovative projects make the cut. So the fact that they're even considering PI Coin is a big deal. It means PI Coin has shown some serious potential and credibility to even get on Binance's radar. Word on the street is that Binance has been doing their due diligence, diving deep into the nitty-gritty details of PiNetwork, poking and prodding PiNetwork like a skeptical mechanic inspecting a used car. They're not leaving any stone unturned, making sure everything checks out. They want to make sure this thing is built to last and not some elaborate rug pull waiting to happen. The technology behind PiNetwork is under the microscope, being analyzed for its robustness and scalability. Binance is looking at everything. PiNetwork's technology, its team, their vision, and their ability to execute that vision. Its regulatory compliance, you name it. They're ensuring that PiNetwork adheres to all legal and regulatory standards, which is crucial in today's tightly regulated crypto environment. It's like a financial colonoscopy, a thorough and invasive examination of every aspect of the project. But hey, nobody said breaking into the big leagues would be glamorous. If PI Coin passes this rigorous vetting process, it could be a game changer, opening doors to new opportunities and greater acceptance in the crypto world. Okay, let's talk brass tacks. Why is everyone so hyped about a Binance listing? Well, imagine you're a PI Coin holder. Right now, your coins are basically like monopoly money, fun to collect but not very useful in the real world. But a Binance listing changes everything. Suddenly, millions of potential buyers have access to PI Coin. Demand goes up, supply stays the same, and boom, the price could skyrocket like a SpaceX rocket. Of course, there are no guarantees in the crypto Wild West, but the potential for massive gains is what has everyone and their grandma talking about PI Coin. Section 5. Listing Day Hype. When will Binance pull the trigger? The million-dollar question, or should we say the million PI Coin question. When will this mythical listing actually happen? Nobody knows for sure, but the rumor mill is working overtime. Some say it could be any day now. Others think Binance is playing it close to the vest, waiting for the perfect moment to drop the bombshell. It's enough to make you want to pull your hair out. In the meantime, all we can do is speculate and refresh our Twitter feeds every 5 seconds. The suspense is killing us. Section 6. The people have spoken. PiNetwork's community roars with excitement. One thing's for sure, the PiNetwork community is buzzing with excitement. Social media is ablaze with hashtags like #BinanceListPI and #PedoTheMoon. It's like a digital pep rally, complete with virtual pom-poms and everything. Pioneers are sharing their hopes, dreams, and maybe a few too many rocket emojis. The energy is palpable. It's enough to make even the most jaded crypto skeptic crack a smile. Section 7. Scam Alert. Don't get caught in the crossfire. Of course, where there's hype, there are always shady characters lurking in the shadows. Scammers are already trying to capitalize on the Binance listing rumors, creating fake websites and social media accounts to trick unsuspecting victims. Remember folks, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Don't give your PI Coin or personal information to anyone claiming to be from Binance or PiNetwork. Always double-check URLs and be wary of unsolicited offers. Stay vigilant out there, people. Section 8. Tempering expectations. A dose of reality in the crypto frenzy. Okay, let's take a deep breath and inject a dose of reality into this hype train. While a Binance listing would be huge for PI Coin, it's not a guaranteed ticket to riches. The crypto market is volatile, and anything can happen. Remember folks, don't invest more than you can afford to lose. Treat PI Coin like a speculative bet, not your retirement fund. Section 9. The future of PI Coin. Only time will tell. So what's next for PI Coin? Will Binance make everyone's dreams come true? Or will this all fizzle out like a bad Tinder date? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure, PiNetwork has tapped into something big. Millions of people are hungry for a piece of the crypto pie, and PI Coin offers a tantalizing glimpse into a future where digital currencies are as commonplace as cat videos. Whether PI Coin becomes the next Bitcoin or fades into obscurity, one thing's for sure, the crypto revolution is just getting started.